Let's be real, most Android tablets are built for Netflix, Zoom calls, or sketching. But what happens when a brand decides to strip away the boardroom aesthetics and build a pure, unadulterated gaming monster? REDMAGIC isn't just dipping their toes into the tablet market anymore. They are rewriting the rules of the compact category. We're looking at a sleek, 9-inch powerhouse designed to bridge the gap between high-end mobile gaming and dedicated handheld consoles. No notches, zero compromises, and a design that looks like it flew right out of a cyberpunk anime. Is this the ultimate portable gaming rig? Let's dive deep. First, let's talk about the absolute muscle under the hood. The Gaming Tablet 5 Pro is powered by the bleeding-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Built on an advanced 3nm process, it features third-generation Oryon all-big-core architecture, meaning no tiny efficiency cores dragging it down. Its super-large cores scream up to a staggering 4.6 GHz. What does that mean for you? Extreme sustained frame rates. Paired with the Adreno 840 GPU running at 1.2 GHz, this tablet handles hardware ray tracing natively. And for the spec sheet maximalists out there, you can configure this thing with up to a massive 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of UFS high-speed storage. There is literally nothing on the Google Play Store or in the emulation scene that can make this chip sweat. But hardware is only as good as the window you view it through, and this display is the crown jewel. REDMAGIC went with a compact 9-inch OLED panel, pushing a 2400 by 1504 resolution. While the rest of the market is lingering around 144 Hz, REDMAGIC pushed the ceiling to 185 Hz. In fast-paced FPS or competitive MOBA games, the visual fluidity is astonishing. Furthermore, the brand introduces next-gen light-emitting materials that dramatically elevate the peak brightness, ensuring that whether you're under bright studio lights or direct sunlight outside, the contrast remains strikingly vivid. Now, pushing a 4.6 GHz chip and a 185 Hz display creates heat. Standard tablets throttle performance within 15 minutes to stay cool. REDMAGIC's solution? The industry's first tablet-optimized active liquid cooling circulation system. Looking directly at the back panel, you get a custom transparent window that exposes the engineering. It pairs a composite liquid metal vapor chamber with a miniature 18,000 RPM internal turbofan. This active airflow setup lowers core temperatures by up to 5 to 8 degrees Celsius under maximum continuous stress. The result is perfectly flat, unthrottled frame rate lines during grueling 2-hour gaming sessions. And yes, the fan housing is tied to custom RGB effects, because, of course it is. Keeping the lights on is an 8,300 mAh battery. While a thicker 10,000 mAh cell might sound better on paper, the choice of a thinner OLED panel keeps this device incredibly light and ergonomic for handheld play. When it does run low, you get 80 watts wired fast charging, complete with their signature bypass charging technology. This channels power directly to the system components rather than the battery while plugged in, preventing extra heat generation while you play. They've also baked in ByteDance's Dubao large language model, bringing system-wide AI features to assist with gaming optimizations, productivity, and smart scaling. At the end of the day, the REDMAGIC Gaming Tablet 5 Pro isn't trying to be a laptop replacement or a casual e-reader. It is an unapologetic, high-octane portable arcade. If you want the absolute highest frame rates and coolest thermal performance possible on a mobile footprint, this is the apex predator. Let me know in the comments below. Would you pick this up over a dedicated handheld PC? Or is this the ultimate companion device? Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.